Today we are in downtown Miami, especially in the art district neighborhood of Wynwood. Yes, Wynwood is famous in Miami for beautiful graffiti type artwork that's on the walls of buildings and so forth. And today we're checking out a very special place. It is an artisan donut and coffee shop. And it's very it's getting rave reviews in Wynwood. It's called the Salty Doughnut, and we're just gonna buy some sample and try them. They have a wide array of donuts, different flavors and style and stuff. And the funny thing about this store is that they only sell until the donut is done. Once the donut has been sold for that day, or the certain batch of donut is sold, they close the doors and they're gone home, or they start working on the next batch. So it's really lucky that we got here in time. The line wasn't exceptionally long. It went through the door, but it was a small store. And if you are in the Miami area, you can check out Salty Doughnut. Just look it up, them online and everything. So we're gonna grab some donuts and carry them home and sample them. Me and the little boy, well, not so little anymore, me and Joshua. So watch it. Some donut with the pan. Remember, and tago taste good.
Diabetes.
All right, tell me what is what.
Okay, this is the coconut plus lime.
Key lime.
Key lime. This is the weird dragon fruit plus raspberry, I think. I don't know. I forgot. This is the maple plus bacon.
Okay, and you got two of those. Because we're going to pick it. And
there.
then we have a regular glaze. So, yeah, Salty Donuts. We're going to go in and try them. Right now, Joshua can't wait. So, we're going to try this. Yep, good to go. So, we finally reached home. And as I said in the car, maple bacon, dragon fruit, and raspberry, pineapple, key lime, coconut key lime. This one, coconut key lime, and this is the regular glaze. So Joshua said I'm gonna dive into theme bacon something right now. So Joshua, let's go. Just take up one.
Merged.
Yeah, because it was. Oh, take this one. You pull it from there.
Oh, it's still merged.
Yeah.
It's fluffy.
Go ahead, bruh. Oh yeah. How is it? Bruh?
It tastes good.
It's real good.
It's good.
It's super sweet. Oh wow.
But it tastes like bacon though.
Well, bacon, duh. Yep. So Joshua like it. We're gonna go in and try every one of these. Yeah, not do too much sweetness, but you know, every now and then you got to wet the palate. And the Salty Doughnut.
It's a cheat day.
It's a cheat day. Joshua said it's a cheat day. There you go, bruh. So we're just cutting pieces off all of them to try them. I think it's mainly about the glaze. Glaze on these donuts are the main thing. What is Josh? Try that one.
Which one? tastes different.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like, I know it tastes like guava.
Yeah, it tastes like guava too.
It tastes like guava.
This one tastes like guava, and as I said, I think the glaze is the major contributor to the taste. So this is just made to look pretty. You know, all of these fandangos on top of it is just made to look pretty. Here you go, babes.
Oh, it has.
Oh, it has guava in it. Oh, that guava thing is on the inside. Can I show your face? You don't want to show your face? Look on the inside there, guys. See? Guava juice. Guava juice is on the inside. I'm trying to save the pretty part to eat off camera and all y'all not watching. It's not cutting. Oh, cut. Cut. See there? See there? Guava paste on the inside. Yeah. See there? Wow. It's good though. It tastes good, man. Voila. Coconut milk. That one is good. The last one though. The last one is this one. The glaze regular. With a piece of pineapple stuck inside there.
It's not pineapple.
Yes, this is dried pineapple.
What is it called?
Key lime pie. Pineapple key lime.
Coconut. I did say it was coconut.
It was something about pineapple. Well, whatever it is full of key lime pie. Look at that. Whee! Whee! Turn it back. It not tastes overly limey. Not too sweet. Interestingly enough, this one is the less sweet. I'm gonna cut a piece for you, Candy, and Joshua too. But Joshua might not like this one.